TriNetX is a global health research network that connects the world of drug discovery and development from pharmaceutical company to study site and investigator to patient by sharing real-world data to make clinical and observational research easier and more efficient. Though the primary usage of TriNetX is to allow potential clinical trial opportunities to determine availability of cohorts, at Wake Forest Baptist Health, researchers are able to query local data on the TriNetX network and utilize their built-in analytic tools for aggregate counts. To access TriNetX, request a TriNetX account by contacting us at ctsidata@wakehealth.edu. After being granted access to a TriNetX account, log in with your full Wake Health email. After logging in, to start a new query, create a new study. Enter a study name and research purpose as required. Other fields are optional, but remember, the more descriptive information you include now, the easier it will be to identify the study later. So let's say I want to build a query to include prostate cancer patients. First, I want to start off by limiting the population to only males 18 years or older. So I'm going to edit this population up top. Choose greater or equal to 18 years and males. I'm also going to start by looking for prostate cancer diagnoses. I can either look up an exact code or I could look up a term. Let's say I also want to exclude any patients who have ever had a history of heart attacks. What I'm doing here is creating must-have items, which you would consider inclusion criteria, and cannot have items, which you can consider exclusion criteria. After finishing building your query, you can set to count patients. After the query is run, it will automatically save to the right. So just remember that the more queries you run, the more important it is to either star or edit the name of the query so that you can later identify it. If after running a query you're interested in pulling patient MRNs for that query and you have an approved IRB application that allows you to pull this information, please contact us at ctsidata@wakehealth.edu for more instructions on how to pull MRNs. Visit the Help Center for support when using TriNetX. In the Help Center, you can find more information on TriNetX training, frequently asked questions, resources, and community. If you have any questions regarding TriNetX, please contact us at ctsidata@wakehealth.edu.